Hello, my name is June, and I am customer service officer at Calderys, Korea. I joined Calderys in 2022 January. As a customer service officer, I am responsible for material delivery mostly. Since we have no plant, I import materials from other countries and stock them in our warehouse or deliver them to customers. Also, I analyze cost of imports and compare shipping cost between forwarders. What I like most about working for Calderys is that we have multicultural environment. We have Calderys members visiting from other countries and sharing opinion and ideas are always inspiring. I would choose we are tenacious. From time to time, I face problems. It is tough when you face a challenging situation, but when you search for solutions, you can learn from your searching, and when knowledge accumulated, you can deal with the situation a lot more easier when you face a similar problem. From this point of view, I tend to solve problems through thorough research. I traveled Hong Kong 10 years ago. It was July and it was very hot, but I liked every day because I could taste a lot of delicious food and the impression of sunny beach was very beautiful. If I ever get a chance again, I would like to visit Hong Kong again sometime. I don't specifically have a role model, but I like the famous saying, "It ain't over till it is over," quoted by Togi Berra. This helps you keep going even when you face obstacles.